Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been confused by the date format or language settings in your Google Drive or Google Sheets, today's video is going to clear that up completely. I'll show you step by step how to change the date format and language format in Google Drive for 2025 quickly and easily. Stick with me until the end, because this simple tweak can save you a lot of frustration, especially if you collaborate internationally or use different regional settings. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, the one where your file is stored. Next, open the Google Sheets file where you want to update the settings. The reason we're opening Sheets is because Google Drive doesn't directly control date and language formats. Those settings are managed within individual Google Sheets documents. Once your file is open, look at the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. A settings window will appear, and this is where the magic happens. First, locate the Locale option. Your locale determines how your document displays numbers, dates, and times. For example, in the US, the format is month/day/year, while in many other countries, it's day/month/year. Select the region that matches your preferred format. Now, move down to the time zone section. This is important because it affects timestamps, edit tracking, and even date-dependent formulas in your spreadsheet. Choose the correct time zone for your location or for the team you're collaborating with. Once you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom and click Save Settings. That's it. Your date and language formats will now match your chosen region, and all the changes will be applied automatically to your document. And there you have it. Your Google Drive and Sheets are now set up with the correct date and language format. This simple adjustment ensures everything is consistent, whether you're managing reports, tracking deadlines, or sharing files across countries. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick and effective tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more Google Drive tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.